Hello, so we are now going to see how to download a GIF and use it in LinkedIn comments. So first Google the GIFs that you want, of any kind, and then click on images. So click on any GIF that you would love to download and then right click here, click save images and then click on save. Download as many GIFs as you want by going through right click, save images, save. As you could see, these files are downloaded as GIF formats, so which is nothing but a moving object. So coming back to LinkedIn, find a post, the post that you would love to comment with a GIF. I will do it in mine because I don't want to mess with other people right now. So just click on the image icon here and click on the GIF that you want to upload and post. That's it.